Yo guys, what is up? What's going on? Man, I absolutely love how warm this garage is. Today we just got slammed with snow. We got like 25 to 35 centimeters. Of snow in some areas, and then with the wind it drifted up and created some really deep snow in some areas. And I'm in my garage right now in a t-shirt and it's so nice and warm. I absolutely love that. Anyways, as you can probably see behind me here is my WRX, and I wanted to show you guys just a quick video to talk about these tires. As you can see, my wheel is actually kind of packed with some snow right now. I'll show you what the front looks like here really quickly. Same thing, if not a little bit more. But I want to show you the very front of my car because it's kind of funny, and I'll explain here after why. But take a look at that. The car is just absolutely snow plowing around the streets right now because of how much snow we got here. It's pretty crazy. I think this is the most snow we've gotten all year so far, and including last year so far this winter. But yeah, that's quite a bit of snow that we picked up. And it's just melting here now off my WRX because I've got the heater cranked in the garage here now that I've pulled home. Anyways, we just got this big snowstorm here last night. It was just snowing all night and all day today, so I kind of headed home a little bit early from work to hopefully beat some of the traffic, and I'm glad I did because it was getting pretty busy out there and the snow is getting so deep. And I wanted to make this quick video because I haven't actually given you guys any sort of official review yet on the new winter tires that I picked up. If you remember a few videos back where I picked these up, these are the Gislaved Nordfrost 200 studded tires. They're a dedicated winter tire, they're just for winter, and of course, like I said, they're studded. Now, I'm not really in the market of reviewing tires because I don't feel like I'm technically knowledgeable to give you guys the opinion of how good they stop and how much traction they have, how they are around corners, stuff like that, you know. I watch some tire review videos when I'm thinking of buying tires myself, and they go into some very technical details, stopping distance, you know, different things like that, and like the traction. I just don't know that stuff. But basically, from my non-technical perspective, I wanted to tell you guys that these Gislavs are doing phenomenal so far this winter here. I haven't gotten stuck once. I've had really good traction around the corners, and in the really deep snow, I actually turned the traction control off on the WRX. You have to hold the button down for I think 3 seconds and it actually shuts off entirely. And I can just give it some gas and feather it lightly and it'll just keep going. It doesn't really have any problems getting through the deep stuff, which is perfect because like today, I'm gonna show you guys here in a dash cam overlay what I drove through. As you can see here, it was really deep coming home through this back road near my house. I live in kind of a newer community, so I take this one back road there, and the snow was super deep here. As you can see, the WRX combined with these Gislaved Nordfrost winter tires just handled it like nothing. It just plowed straight through it with ease. And after today, I think I'm just super impressed with the tires. I came home, I wanted to tell you guys about it and share with you that dash cam footage. This isn't a sponsored video or anything like that. It'd be pretty sweet if it was. I'd love to get some tires, but it's not. But I just wanted to tell you guys that they are performing super well. All right guys, I'm gonna wrap this quick video up here now. 2 thumbs up on these winter studded tires. They're a little bit overkill, but when days like today happen and we get dumped with snow, I'm super happy that I have them. Leave a comment down below guys and let me know what winter tires you're using, if they're the Hakkapelitas or the Blizzaks or the Michelin Ice X's. Let me know what they are and let me know your thoughts on them so far, how you're liking them if you drive in a snowy climate here like I do. As always guys, thanks so much for watching and I hope you're having a great day or night, whatever it is where you are. Also, quick side note, I'm gonna stream on Twitch tomorrow night, on Friday night. I'm having a few friends over here at my house for the first time. We're gonna set up the PCs. It's gonna be super fun. We're gonna be playing, I think, PlayerUnknown's Battleground as well as Overwatch. So if you want to check that out, I'll have my Twitch link down below.